Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The new hero Messi just released, and format of the match just released, and the new team of the week just released 2 days ago. 2 days ago. Although it's a little bit late for a pack opening, but it is time. Anyways, so let's straight get into it. Before we open some packs, I'm going to open some free packs to improve a little bit of pack luck. So the first pack, I have 10 free packs, so I'm gonna use it in the right way. Already sucks a lot. Alright. Oh, and another thing I heard that to improve pack luck is to open the same photo like this dude. If you open just Messi. I'm just going to open. Wait a minute. Yeah, this dude. Dold. This Dold right here. I'll open this pack. Let's see. It's nothing right here. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. And let's see. Do we have any of him? Nope. I'm just going to. Wait. What? It just changed. Okay, interesting. Interesting, huh? Alright, nothing in this pack. 80 center backs. Quite rare in the the premium gold pack. So it's changed again. Wow, that is weird. And these change oh my god, I don't know what is happening, but let's go into open packs again. Nope, it is absolutely nothing. Some position modifier. Just gonna sell it. And some dude told me that I should open gold packs, but I really don't know what to do. Although gold pack is a little bit cheaper, but you will get you don't have 2 extra rare items. But that 2 items will cost me it's 200. Who cares? Boom. Why I'm keep getting none rares? It's not even. It's worse than the free packs. Just gonna open this dude because this still looks nice. Boom. Okay. That is absolutely nothing. No. Oh, some money. Cool. God. I mean science. Damn it. All right, gold packs. Here we go. I'm just going to open gold packs from now on. Boom. Okay. Oh, that is better than my premium gold pack, I have to admit. Alright. It's all duplicated items. Alright, just do nothing and open gold packs. Boom. Alright. So it does not looks very good at this point. So I'm just going to open another premium gold pack. Alright. Oh, I got this guy from Bundesliga. You know the items that show in the front, like showing this animation, is the most valuable items in the whole pack. But in this kind of packs, all items have 0 value. Oh my god, I got this guy, but I cannot sell him because I'm just gonna ignore him, discard him. So I have 4 premium gold packs left. This dude looks nice. I'm gonna open kind of that. Okay. Oh, he's from ENG1. I keep getting BPL players. Open another disc pack. Okay. I keep getting a quite decent player, but not the players I want. I'm hoping getting like team of the weeks and info, like I'm hoping getting informs. I'm hoping getting like man of the match players. Alright, just don't let me down, please. Seriously. I mean, seriously. Alright, I'm going to try this trick. Like, from now on, I'm going to open Messi, like this, and then when the doodle change, I'm going to still open the pack that Messi is in the front. So this pack is absolutely nothing. And then Messi is gone. Where's Messi? Alright. Great. Forget about that part. Alright, so Messi again. Try to open Messi pack. We have a 280 rated player, but not what I want, man. Give me what I want. Alright. This is it. This is it. Alright, this is not it. Let me breathe. Let me breathe. Let me breathe. This is it. Alright, this is it. This is it. This is it. Alright, this isn't it. Just please, dude. Please, seriously. I mean, seriously, EA. Are you kidding me? Are you forcing me to open some mega packs? I'm not going to open mega pack, man. Wait, let me pause it. Alright, cool. I'm back. I just did a little internet, so the connection, the little thing is gone. I'm going to open like 10 of these packs. Still, wait, what? That is absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. I use the word absolutely for so many times. Like, science, damn it. Should I open these packs? Oh my god, this 100k pack. Cool. I'm not going to open 100k pack. It will cost me so many money. I know it's always in the last pack. Just keep on good work until there. Why I'm still getting these non-rare players? Please give me some decent player. Just some decent. That's all I want. Alright, I'm just despaired right now. No hope. Messi pack. the pictures keep on changing, you know, it's pretty weird. Look, EA, I just want to get some colorful cards, and please just give me some cards, and I'll invite you to dinner. And that's not good enough. I will buy more packs. Alright, well, let's try another one. I will wait, I'm going to give him an auction. I will what I will do. I'll give you an advertisement. Okay? That's good enough. Good for you, huh? So can you give some good players? Please? Seriously. These premium gold packs are like I have nothing to say. It is still going. Still going. Premium gold packs. Alright, so this kind of the end of this pack opening. This pack opening went wrong very bad. So what I am going to do is just open all the free packs that is left. Yeah, no, oh, there is no free packs left. I forgot. Anyways, looks like this is the end of this pack opening. Should I open? I don't know. I hope you enjoyed this video. This pack opening still did not reach our goal, so don't mind. Anyways, so hope you enjoyed this video. Catch you back in the next one. Peace out.